My name's Amanda. I'm a nurse. I'll be doing physical assessment. Your name is?
Joshua Kornberg,
Confirm your birthday.
12/03/74,
Can you tell me what month it is?
November
And your
2020. Trump.
Good. So before doing our physical exam, we would assume that a thorough health history would have already been taken, and also a thorough eye exam, a Schnellen test, which is for your nerve number 2, would have already been assessed prior to this. So we'll go ahead and start with the assessment. We'll assess the cranial nerve first, and then do a thorough assessment. I'll ask you questions if you have any pain. Try and explain everything that I do as I go through it. Your job is to tell me if anything hurts or any different abnormalities. Okay, so first is our cranial nerve number 1, your sense of smell. You'll plug one nostril for me and then tell me what you smell.
Alcohol.
And then if you'll plug the other nostril. And then cranial nerve number 2 is the vision test. Josh is recently, so his vision was corrected to 2020. Cranial nerve number 3, 4, and 6 are your eyes. Can you close your eyes for me? And then open. Make sure the eyes closed and open all the way. Checking your conjunctiva and the color of the eyes. Also check your pupil reaction, your extraocular movement, and make sure your pupils are equal, round, and reactive to light, and also any accommodation. So check your pupils one at a time. Just make sure they're equal. You'll watch the pen for me. Just keep watching the pen. It's not moving your head. Good. I want you to watch the pen, and I'm going to move it. Just move your eyes. Follow the pen along with your eyes and not your head. Okay? And tell me when you see my hands. Eyes, there's 3, 4, and 6. There's 5 and 7. Are your mouth. I want you to put on your cheeks and smile. Squint your forehead. Now, and then I want you to open and close your mouth. Good. Your jaw, T and J, close your mouth. And then also sensation. Can you feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Also, looking for sharp and dull. I want you to tell me if this feels sharp or dull.
Sharp. Dull. Sharp. Dull.
There's 5 and 7. We don't have the proper vibration for that to check your hearing. So I'm just going to whisper a word in your ear and just tell me what you hear. Okay. Cranial nerve 8, cranial nerve 9, 10, and 12 is your tongue. Oral incomplete. So if you'll stick your tongue on it, and then side to side. Go to side to cheek. And his mouth, but we would open your mouth with the tongue depressor, light. We'd check your tonsils, touch the uvula, check for gag reflex, check the pharynx, make sure all of those are normal. Also at the same time, we can check the teeth, gums, making sure there's any tooth decay or any abnormalities. Let's see. And then that's cranial nerves 9, 10, and 12. And then last one is cranial nerve 11. Just check your neck strength. If you push up on my hand, shrug your shoulders. Good. And then push your head into the hand. Okay, good. Next we'll check your rapid fingers. You'll do this for me fast. And then fingers to thumbs. And And then if you'll stand up for me, we'll check your balance. Okay, stand there and close your eyes. Okay. I need you to put your arms out to your side. I want you to lift one leg. Open your eyes. While you're standing there, you'll run your heel and your shin. I'm going to give you an object and tell me what you feel.
Key.
So be in your hand. I want you to tell me what it is. And close your eyes.
7.
I forgot to check your jaw. Okay, no, there's one. Very slow for me. Watch very slow. And also check the thyroid at this time and check the swallow reflex. Okay, we'll look for scoliosis and asymmetry and interestingly, so you will on your heels walk towards me. Go ahead and sit down for me. And we'll go ahead and check your skin, scalp, and work our way down here. Okay, so we're checking skin, scalp. Got a little nail ball here. Which is normal. Any pain or abnormality. We'll check his ears. Any pain in your ears? We'll touch your ears. Okay. We're gonna look inside your ears. The scalp. Check your tympanic membrane and your ear canal. Looks good. Sure it's clear and open. No redness or cloudiness. At the same time, we'll check your nose. And Josh here does have, we'll check his turbinates. Looks look good. He does have a deviated septum, so his nose kind of goes off to the side. I can tell he's got a deviated septum there. We already checked in his mouth, so that's done. Your neck will feel for lymph nodes. We checked your thyroid already. And I'm going to turn your head and look at his jugular and the other side. And palpate his carotid pulse with his radial pulse. Other side. And really, you should auscultate before you palpate the carotid. So we'll auscultate his carotid. Abnormalities. And down the shoulder and check your nose. Good. You checked your strength in your shoulders already. Listen to your heart. My stethoscope out. I'm sorry. Let's do your back first. Let's listen to your lungs. If you'll turn to the side for me. Three lobes on the right side. Middle and lower. Two on the left. And we say 99 for me.
99. 99. 99. 99.
Whisper 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. I'm going to palpate here while we say ABC.
ABC. ABC.
And we'll check your intercostal angle, intercostal vertebral angle. Those kidneys. Any pain if I right there on the other side? To assess the back, kidneys, VCA. We're going to turn forward for me. Listen to your heart. 5 positions. Aortic, pulmonic, herbs, tricuspid. Joshua does have an aortic murmur. Lit aortic valve. So while I'm assessing heart, I'm also looking at skin, cardiac assessment, checking for cap refill, looking for any abnormalities in skin color, our cardiac exam. I'm going to have you lay down for us. Okay. At this point, when I've still got my stethoscope out, we'll listen to your valve sounds, all 4 quadrants. Listen for the air. Also listen to your heart beat. 5 positions. Tricuspid, neutral. Light palpation, pain in your abdomen when I do this. Light palpation, there's no pain, you can do deeper palpation. Make sure there's no pain or masses that you felt. We'll assess the liver. For Martin, can you take a deep breath for me? Okay, and then the spleen. Okay. So abdominal, aortic. We listen to his carotids, palpate the carotids. Listen to or feel for radial pulse. Popliteal. Tibial. Good. At this point, you would check cap refill on the feet, look for any edema, any skin abnormalities, any precocities. Also in the hands, make sure there's no edema or in the abdomen. And strength. You'll squeeze my fingers as tight as you can so I know how strong you are. Good, and let go. And I want you to push up on my hands. Good. I want you to push down on my hands. Very good. Same thing with your feet. I want you to push up on my hands. And down. Very good. Any pain in the back of your leg if I push on your foot? Okay, what about this side? Excellent. Okay, that's all there. You will sit for me again. While they're in a sitting position, you can also assess to make sure there's not any edema, any changes in skin color. And then we would check for reflexes. So I don't have the proper tool to check reflexes. You would check the tricuspid here, and then the bicep, and the brachioradialis here. I'm watching for hand reflex, and you do the same thing on the other side, making sure their arms are relaxed so you can test for that reflex. And then patellar reflex, you would just below the patella in that notch there. The leg would have to be hanging so that you can see that reflex in the foot or the leg as it pops out, and you do that on both sides. And then you'd have their foot relaxed also